In today's video, I'll let you guys know the ways to send XRP from Uphold to Dcent. To send XRP from Uphold to Dcent, you could follow these steps. First of all, you'll have to log into your Uphold account. When you're logged into your Uphold account, that will take you to the home page. So from the home page, you want to go ahead and select the asset that you want to transfer to Dcent. After which, you want to go ahead and then read about this and click the send button. Once you do the send button, you'll be taken to this page where you have to click on transact, and then you want to select from which account you're transferring and what sort of cryptocurrency that you're transferring, whether you want to change it to currency type or not. If you want to, then you have to change it to currency and all that. And now moving on to the next step, you want to go to two options. So here you want to go ahead and enter in the recipient details. As per the recipient details, you have to enter in the wallet address from the Dcent. So you want to exit out of this page, go to Dcent and click on receive. As you click on receive, select the cryptocurrency that you're receiving, and there you can find the wallet address, either in a link format or in a QR code, whichever is convenient for you. Copy that and then you're paste it and click on preview trade at the bottom of the page. After which you want to go ahead and confirm the details by reviewing all of the terms and conditions, and that way you'll be able to send XRP from Uphold to Dcent. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.